welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. After truck owners, barge owners receive notices for defaulting loans, banks threaten to attach barge and surety if dues are not paid within 2 months. Mines Department conducts raid, arrests 12 people for illegally extracting sand. 700 meters of extracted sand seized. We will neither cancel admissions given to the internal pass-out candidates nor reinstate cancelled admissions of NET pass-outs, says state government. Five Indian soldiers killed in a Pakistani attack on Indian Army. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha condemns killing. And Directorate of Education permits education institutions ready to switch over to full-day school for 5 days a week, 6 hours per day. Now news in detail. Now, barge owners have received notices for defaulting loan payment. Banks have threatened that if dues are not paid within 2 months, their barge and surety would be attached. The barge owners at present are in a panicky situation. However, MLAs from the mining belt have asked for financial assistance from the centre.
They issue a notice for 60 days. During these 60 days, you pay up this full amount, or they are proceeding to recover the money from. Until the regular zaina, they proceed for recovery of the money from by attaching your main security as well as the collateral security. Now 20 barges have been sold, so loans have come down by 20-30 crores. So now it will be around 330 crores personal loan, and that is because the barges were sold. Some of the barges were sold during this last 9 months period. But now the loan is still there and all are due now. Most of the accounts are become NPA. Now second restructuring the banks are not giving, because they are saying that as per the prudential guidelines of Reserve Bank, it is not possible for them to restructure. But if you go through the prudential guidelines of the Reserve Bank, it nowhere says that the second restructuring is not allowed. It only says that the viable units restructuring can be done. Non-viable units restructuring may not be done.
अशा परिस्थितीच्या लेटर आफ्टर 30 years फर्स्ट टाइम बार्ज ओनरांक आयिल्ले आसा. बँकेन आमच्या बरोबर रावपाक जाय अशें म्हाका तरी दिसता. हाचे कारण सद्या जर नोटिसीस धाडून आमकां भेस्टोवपाक लागले आनी आमकां त्रास करपाक लागले जाल्यार ते पयशे खंयच्यान भरतले. काही जाणांचे घरांत ज्यो फॅमिली आसा त्या फॅमिली म्हणून शुअरिटी आसा तांकांय आसा.
Meanwhile, the MLAs in mining belt are having a tough time as the nationalized banks have issued notices to the truck owners in mining areas for defaulting loans due. They claim whatever state government could do, the government has done. Now centre has to provide some assistance to the mining dependents in the state.
गोयचो चीफ मिनिस्टर RBI instruct करपाक शकना. It is a duty of the central government who is ruling at present. ह्यो क्रायसिस आसा त्यो तांणी तांकां समजावून सांगपाक जाय आनी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाची. म्हणूनच आयज सगळे लोक त्रासान पडिल्ले आसा. आमी लोकांक कितें तरी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतात.
फाटले एक MP सांगतालो की आमी हें करता तें करता म्हणून कोणें कांयच करूं ना. ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन मागपाक गेले जाल्यार MLA गोंयचे कोण वचूना. थंय सारदीन बेकार आहलो म्हणून थंय सारदीन थंय येयलो आनी तर येवनूय थंय फायदो कांय जालो ना. 1 रुपया कांय दिलो ना. ह्या दाखोवन दिता की सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट आमचे गोंयचे प्रोजेक्ट धामून दवरता आनी गोंयचे प्रोजेक्ट जिते मारूंक सोदता. हें म्हाका दिसता.
Bureau report, Prudent.
Mines Department along with Bicholi police conducted raids at Amona and Virdi and arrested 12 people for illegally extracting sand. The raid was conducted following National Green Tribunal ban on illegal sand extraction. The direction was issued by the Chief Secretary after receiving the notice from NGT. Department has seized nearly 700 meters of extracted sand at Amona.
The National Green Tribunal bench, headed by Swatantra Kumar, had ordered interim ban on sand extraction in and outside the river belt. Bench also sent notices to all the state chief secretaries, including Goa, to file a reply before 14th August. Following this, Chief Secretary B. Vijayan directed Mines and Geology Department to conduct raids to stop illegal sen extraction. Mines Department officials along with Bicholi police conducted raids at Amona and Viridi in River Mandavi. Bicholi police arrested 12 labourers from Amona and 1 from Viridi for illegally extracting sand. Mines Department also locked the PWD gate at Amona. Nearly 700 meters of extracted sand was seized at site. Meanwhile, Mines and Geology Department has ordered all the Mamlatdars to conduct raids and submit report within next 2 days. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
State government has made it clear that it will neither cancel admissions given to the internal pass-out candidates nor reinstate NEET pass-outs for the medical and dental PG courses. Advocate General said before the High Court that Supreme Court's interim order bars the state government from taking any action regarding admissions. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is likely to hear a petition on Wednesday filed by the Goa government seeking further direction in this matter.
The High Court on Tuesday heard a petition filed by NEET pass-out candidates for ad interim relief seeking restoration of their cancelled admissions for PG courses at Goa Medical and Dental College. During the hearing, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni presented government's interpretation of the Supreme Court's order dated 30th July. Advocate General said that by that order, the Apex Court has barred state government to take any action regarding admissions. Hence, the state government cannot either cancel admissions given to the internal pass-out candidates or reinstate cancelled admissions of NEET pass-out candidates till further orders. The AG informed the High Court that on Wednesday, the Apex Court is likely to hear a petition filed by Goa government seeking further direction in this matter. After hearing all the parties, the High Court has reserved its order for Monday. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.